Welcome back to Anointed Lady TV, my good people. Welcome back to your number one channel for legit news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside this our great white green country wey be Nigeria. Once again, me don come your screen with breaking news. Me don come your screen with updates concerning the things and things wey dey go on for inside Rivers State. And no be lie, the tensions for inside Rivers State, my good people, e don dey escalate as some groups wey dey include the Ijaw National Congress and the Ijaw Youth Council. They don't issue a strong warning against the impeachment of Governor Siminalayi Fubara of Rivers State. Now, based on the things and things wey dey go on for Martin Amaewhule side, based on say men we don already dey call for the impeachment of Sir Siminalayi Fubara. This group now, they don come outside, they declare their readiness to defend Sir Fubara mandate, and they still dey draw caution, they still dey draw ear. Say any move wey men dey make to remove Sir Siminalayi from power, from office, that very particular move get the potential to destabilize the Niger Delta, and it still get the potential to disrupt the oil production in the region. Now, the real reason why this warning dey come board, the real reason why the Niger Delta groups dey draw ear, dey give the general public, especially men wey dey against the Rivers State governor, na sake of say the 48 hours wey the Martin Amaewhule faction of the Rivers State House of Assembly give the Rivers State governor to submit the 2025 budget for approval, it don expire. And the lawmakers now wey dey support Sir Wike, lawmakers wey dey led by Martin Amaewhule, wetin give am the ododo, wetin give am the liver to plaster 48-hour ultimatum on top the Rivers State governor to make him for submit the 2025 budget for approval. Na sake of say Supreme Court then drop judgment on Friday, maybe the 28th day of February for this year 2025. And in their ruling, they yarn say the lawmakers wey dey led by Martin Amaewhule is very much legit. Even as matters still dey court up to today, even as the men wey dey support the Rivers State governor Sir Sim Fubara, we don carry matter go appeal court. Say these lawmakers, they don comot body from the People's Democratic Party, go the All Progressive Congress, so therefore automatically they are no longer lawmakers. But the Supreme Court come plaster, say these men, they are very much legit. But although the case wey dey for appeal court challenging that these lawmakers are no more lawmakers in Rivers State because they don't defect, that one now never conclude, you understand? But this Supreme Court judgment now we plaster them legit. This very particular ruling, my good people, e con kukuma intensify the ongoing political battle between the Rivers State governor and the lawmakers wey dey loyal to Oga Wike, wey be Minister of the Federal Capital Territory. And not only that, my good people, the Supreme Court judgment also order the seizure of allocations to the Rivers State, and they still nullify the October 5th election, the local government election now wey sup for inside the year 2024, wey dey conducted by the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission. Supreme Court now don yarn say that election is very much null and void. They go gats do another one. So based on say the court judgment is sweet them well, the Martin Amaewhule led House of Assembly, men wey dey loyal to Oga Wike, they don kukuma dey buga. Sharply after the judgment, these men now they come hold their first meeting, and this one happen on Monday, maybe the 3rd day of March for inside this year 2025. And for inside this their first sitting, so they come ask Sir Sim Fubara, wey be Rivers State governor, say make him present the budget to them within 48 hours, as it would on Friday, March 7, commence their 12-week recess. Meanwhile, the assembly led by Martin Amaewhule, they still also fault the directive of the Rivers State governor, the directive wey Sir Sim Fubara give the heads of local government administration to make them take over the affairs of the 23 local headquarters for inside Rivers State. And normally the 48-hour ultimatum now on Wednesday, will be the 5th day of March, now it for expire. And the Rivers State governor will be Sir Sim Fubara, he never shake body. And that's now one of the reasons why the Ijaw National Congress and the Ijaw Youth Council plus other groups them for inside Rivers State, they can't come outside making the summer warning. They can't come outside, they draw ear. Say make the Martin Amaewhule and their assembly know what they do, make them no try and say they want to remove Sir Sim Fubara from office. Make them no try and say they want to impeach the man, because that go do more harm than good for inside Rivers State. For inside the statement where the Ijaw National Congress, their president will be Professor Benjamin Okaba drop im dey condemn the impeachment threat dem, and im na dey sama warning say the Ijaw people no go stand by while their first riverine governor in decades was undermined. They no go fit just sit down, fold their hand, dey look how men dey work against their person, dey work against their brother, dey work against their governor. That na why men gats watch their step, because any attempt to undermine S씬Aong T3R go get better consequences for national peace and economic stability. Dis my good people na few of the many details wey dey for the statement wey the Ijaw National Congress their presido Professor Benjamin Okaba drop concerning the matter. Now make no bad say if these men dey cook up violence, no. The Ijaw group no just dey happy with wetin dey go on. Dem now dey complain say when it comes to politics for inside Rivers State, they don too neglect them. The Ijaw don too contribute when it comes to governance for inside Rivers State, and yet nothing dey happen. Now, according to the Ijaw National Congress, for inside the year 2003, when one countryman wey dey go by the name Marshal Harry bin dey support SÄÀong T3R governorship ambition. Now, instead of jaguda men to assassinate the SÄÀong T3R wey dey run for governorship, na Marshal Harry wey dey support na dem come go kpai, and that na a painful loss for Ijaw people. Then for inside the year 2007, Ijaw leaders, men like Soboma George and Farah Dagogo, dem play a decisive role in securing victory for Sir Celestine Omeya, while Prince Igodo, wey be Kalabari Ijaw warlord, bear RIP during the swearing-in of Sir Celestine Omeya to prevent security breaches. Then the Ijaw group come still talk about the things wey happen for inside the year 2011, when Sir Rotimi Amaechi, when he be governor of the state, he wan be nominate Pastor Toyin Cole as minister. But Mrs. Patience Jonathan, wey be wife of our president that year, Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, come dey yarn say make dem no appoint Sir Toyin Cole, make dem appoint Oga Nyesom Wike instead. So with all these levels now wey don happen in the past, now why the Ijaw group dey complain say e no good at all. Say the Ijaw people they don too try when it comes to governance, but they dey bear losses. And now they don get S씬Aong T3R, now they don get their first riverine governor in decades. One political elite now from the Ikwere ethnic group, they try to frustrate the man. So like they no go fit sit down, they watch make this kind of thing dey happen. Say the Ijaw nation, they go defend S씬Aong T3R with all their muscle and with all their might. So this my good people, now the information I want share give the general public. Now anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. You know say now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they like give una legit news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside this our green country wey be Nigeria. So if you like this information and you go like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell, so that as we dey bring more news dey come, na you go first receive the update and you go even get am sharp. Make dey come your way again with another legit news for you my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.